If developer options is missing on your Amazon Fire TV and you can't find it, then here's how you enable developer options on your Amazon Fire TV and turn on allow apps from unknown sources in just a single step. To enable developer options and allow apps from unknown sources, you'll need to go to the Settings tab and then go down to Device and Software, About. Now select the Your TV option and press the Select button 7 times. You'll see it will say how many times you need to press, and after that it will say you're now a developer. So now we can go back, and here you'll see the developer options has magically appeared, and that's all. Now you can turn on USB debugging, and your TV will now also let you install unknown apps. And that's how simple it is to enable developer options on your Fire TV. So make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more.